Hey guys, Greg Running here at the Remax Results. Hey, I'm shooting this video to talk to you about a need that our team has with assisting our clients. On any given year, we help roughly 100 plus families buy or sell their home, and throughout the process, we could find a need for a service or a product to help get that transaction complete. For example, we might need a painter or a handyman or a roofing contractor, etc. You name it, we need it. The problem we have right now is we have a great list of individuals and businesses that we're actively giving these referrals to, but because everyone's so busy with COVID and understaffed or just booked with how crazy things are right now, they're not able to get there in a timely manner. So what we're looking to do is increase the list, grow the list of referrals, so that we can better assist our clients getting things done in a more timely manner. On the real estate world, we're not always allotted a lot of time to get the tasks done. So again, we're just looking to grow the list, find some great new referral partners to start sending our clients to, help grow their business and help our clients meet their needs in a timely manner. If that's something you think you can help with, or you know a business that might be able to help with some home needs, home selling needs for our clients, I'd love to schedule a lunch, maybe a coffee or a Zoom meeting if that's more up your alley right now, to get you on the list. Again, we just need to grow it. We're looking for quality people to add to this list. Our list right now is fantastic. They're just too busy. So if that's something you guys think you can help with, feel free to reach out. My number is 218-590-7072. Otherwise, you can feel free to comment on this video or shoot me an email, gregt.running@gmail.com. Really looking forward to hearing from some individuals. Looking forward to growing this list and helping each other out. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.